In this video, I'm giving you my honest Pictory AI review. We'll look at pricing, features, pros, cons, customer support, and whether it's actually worth using for faceless YouTube videos. I'll also show you the platform in action so you can see exactly how it works instead of just hearing about it. If at any point you want to test Pictory yourself, you can use the link in the description to try Pictory for free. That's the best way to decide if it fits your workflow. Let's start from the beginning. Once you land on the Pictory website, you click Start for free and sign in with your Google account. There's no complicated setup, and you're inside the dashboard in less than a minute. This is already a big plus, especially if you're a beginner or someone who doesn't want to deal with complex video software. This is the Pictory dashboard, and everything is laid out very clearly. You'll see options like text to video, URL to video, edit videos using text, and highlights to video. For most people creating faceless YouTube content, text to video is the main feature. So that's what I'll focus on first. To show you how easy it really is, I'll click Text to Video. The first thing it asks for is your video title, and right below that is the script box. This is where you paste a script from ChatGPT or any other AI writing tool. I'm pasting in a simple script here, and that's honestly the hardest part of the process. Once the text is in, Pictory handles almost everything else. You can adjust the video format, and for YouTube, landscape is the obvious choice. You'll also see options like automatic scene creation, keyword highlighting, and visual selection. I leave these on because they save time and do a surprisingly good job. When I click Generate Video, Pictory automatically breaks the script into scenes and starts building the video. This is where Pictory really shines. Within seconds, it generates a full video with visuals, text animations, and structure. If you've ever edited videos manually, you know this alone can save hours. Now, the visuals aren't always perfect, and that's important to be honest about. But fixing them is very simple. I'll click on a scene and go to the Visuals tab. If I don't like a clip, I just search for something better and replace it instantly. There's no timeline dragging, no keyframes, no learning curve. This is what makes Pictory so beginner-friendly. You're not really editing in the traditional sense, you're just making choices. Now, let's talk about voiceovers, because this is another big factor for faceless YouTube channels. Pictory offers AI voices, including premium voices powered by 11 Labs. These sound natural enough for most YouTube content, especially explainer, list, and educational videos. You can preview voices, apply them with one click, and the narration syncs automatically with the text. If you want more control, you can record your own voice directly inside Pictory or upload an external voiceover. That flexibility is great, especially if you want your channel to feel more personal. Background music is also built in. You can browse tracks, preview them, and apply one instantly. It's simple, and while the music library isn't massive, it's good enough for most use cases. Another feature worth mentioning is branding. You can upload your logo, set brand colors, and reuse them across all your videos. If you're running a YouTube channel or content business, this saves time and helps keep everything consistent. There's also a styles section that lets you change the entire look of your video with one click. This is perfect if you generate a video and feel like the text or layout doesn't quite match your vibe. You can preview styles and apply them to all scenes instantly. Now let's talk about pricing honestly. Pictory is a subscription-based tool, and while it's not the cheapest AI video generator on the market, it's also not overpriced for what it offers. Pricing depends on the plan you choose, and higher plans unlock longer videos, more exports, and premium voices. If you're posting consistently on YouTube, the time you save can easily justify the cost. That said, if you're only creating videos occasionally, the monthly subscription might feel a bit expensive. This brings us to one of the main cons. Pictory is excellent for faceless, script-based videos, but it's not designed for heavy customization or cinematic editing. If you want advanced transitions, complex animations, or full creative control, you may feel limited. In that case, a tool like InVideo can be a better alternative. InVideo offers more templates and manual control, which some creators prefer, especially for marketing-style videos. Another honest drawback is that visual selection still requires human judgment. AI gets you 70 to 80% of the way there, but you still need to review and replace clips to make the video feel intentional and high quality. This isn't really a flaw, but it's something to be aware of if you expect one-click perfection. Customer support is solid. Pictory has documentation, tutorials, and responsive support, especially for paid users. They also regularly update the platform. Features like AI voices and workflow improvements have noticeably improved over time. One more feature I want to quickly show is URL to video. You paste in a blog post or article, and Pictory automatically summarizes it and turns it into a video. The result still needs editing, but it's an extremely fast way to repurpose content into YouTube videos. So here's the honest bottom line. Pictory AI is not trying to replace professional video editors, and that's actually a good thing. It's built for speed, simplicity, and consistency. If your goal is to create faceless YouTube videos, educational content, or automation-style channels, Pictory does exactly what it promises and does it well. If you need more creative control or advanced editing, tools like InVideo may suit you better. But if you value ease of use, fast video generation, and a clean workflow, Pictory is absolutely worthy. If you want to try it yourself and see if it fits your needs, use the link in the description to test Pictory for free. That's the best way to get a real feel for the platform before committing.